Thank you for tuning in to your daily Wallops weather briefing for Friday, November 27th. Seeing some partly cloudy skies out there this morning. We did see some mostly cloudy skies earlier, but have seen things clear out a bit. We will be seeing partly cloudy skies throughout the day. Clouds will be increasing later this afternoon once again and into tonight, however. But we will be seeing another mild day across the region, as we already saw a mild low this morning. Only got down to 51 degrees. Temperatures will be getting up to the low to mid 60s this afternoon. Take a quick look at our surface analysis across the region. We do have that front here on the map that brought us some rain for the first half of the day yesterday across the region. We do have some high pressure building into the area. It's weak high pressure, but it is going to be giving us some seasonable conditions for this weekend, and temperatures back where they should be after this little bit of a mild spell that we've had. And then on Monday, we're going to get a stronger low coming out of the Gulf states. You can see it's starting to develop here along the southeast Texas coast, and that's going to be impacting our area Monday, giving us quite a bit of gusty wind, brief heavy rain, and maybe even a thunderstorm or two. Let's take a quick look at our satellite across the area this morning. You see we're kind of in a gap here with these clouds, where it is mostly cloudy across the northern half of the Delmarva, and then quite a bit of clouds offshore. So we should be seeing clouds increase once again here over the next couple of hours, and then becoming mostly cloudy for the afternoon. Taking a look at our upper level winds today, we are seeing those winds northeasterly at the surface through 1,000 feet, and then shifting westerly and fairly light between 3,000 and 6,000 feet, then becoming southwesterly from 9,000 feet at 25 to 30 knots through the 16,000 foot level before shifting southerly and weakening to around 15 knots at 20 to 25,000 feet. Seeing our freezing level this morning just below 12,000 feet. For today, going to be looking at a high of 64 degrees this afternoon. Northeasterly winds will be 6 to 11 knots this morning and into the early afternoon hours, then becoming light and variable between about 3 and 4 p.m. And then we'll see those some light northerly winds as we go into the late afternoon and through about midnight. Then seeing winds shift northwesterly, becoming 5 to 10 knots by tomorrow morning. We are expecting a low tomorrow morning of around 46 degrees. Taking a look at our terminal forecast, going to be seeing a few clouds near 4,000 feet over the next few hours, and then it'll become broken at 4,000, broken at 25,000 by the afternoon. And it's 6 p.m. We'll start to see some lower clouds develop around 2,000 feet, and then lowering down further as we go through 10 p.m. Seeing a few clouds at 500 feet, broken at 1,500, broken at 3,500 with some broken cirrus. And then overnight, possibly seeing some broken clouds near 500 feet at times, but continuing to see clouds near 2,500 feet and 7,500 feet as we go past midnight tonight, as well as some cirrus. Might see a little bit of some patchy areas of restricted visibility tomorrow as well. We are seeing tides normal along the Delmarva Atlantic coast this morning. Let's take a look at our long-term weather model here to show you how the weather pattern will be progressing. As we go into tomorrow, we're going to see that weak area high pressure move across the mid-Atlantic, giving us some very seasonable and dry conditions for both Saturday and Sunday. As we go into Sunday night, we're going to be seeing that high shift east of the region and starting to see some south to southeasterly flow really ramp up as we go later into the night Sunday, ahead of this low that's going to be ejecting out of the Gulf states towards our area. As we progress forward, that low is going to continue to ride pretty much right along the Appalachians, and that's going to bring quite a bit of rain to the entire eastern seaboard, and giving us a chance of some thunderstorms as well. It also looks like a rather windy system, so we're going to get some good south to southeasterly winds ahead of this system, with some brief heavy rain possible on Monday, as well as a chance of a thunderstorm. Rain does look like it's going to be persisting throughout much of the day Monday, then drying out for Monday night, and we're going to see the pressure gradient tightening up, so it'll continue to be breezy Monday night into Tuesday, and then we're going to get some cooler air moving into the area for the middle of next week. Let's take a look at our 7-day forecast here. Partly to mostly cloudy today with a high of 64. Tomorrow, we'll see temperatures a little bit more seasonable with a high of 60 and partly cloudy skies. And then finally seeing a seasonable low again down to the mid-30s for Sunday morning with a high of 57 expected. And then seeing And then seeing a high of 57 on Monday, partly cloudy skies. Monday, that's when we're going to start to see that system move through the area. We're going to see an early low Sunday evening of 47, and then a high of 67 Monday with persistent rain, some gusty winds, and a chance of a thunderstorm. As we go on to Monday night, it's going to see our low down to 45 with a seasonable high of 54 for Tuesday under mostly cloudy skies, and then some seasonable conditions as we go into the middle to late next week. Partly cloudy skies for both Wednesday and Thursday, lower to mid 50s for the highs and mid 30s for the lows. We'll do it for your daily weather briefing. Have a great weekend.